Welcome to Choice Champions. The best water dispenser spigot is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential components for any home or office seeking convenient access to clean drinking water, and today, we're diving deep into what makes a spigot truly stand out, ensuring you get a reliable, leak-free, and easy-to-use dispensing experience that perfectly complements your water cooler or dispenser setup, making hydration a seamless part of your daily routine. Number 5. Aero Oasis 2.5-gallon drink dispenser. Introducing the Aero Oasis drink dispenser, a convenient 2.5-gallon beverage container perfect for your fridge. Easily serve water, iced tea, juice, and more with its built-in spigot. Crafted from durable, food-safe plastic, this dispenser is reusable, stain-resistant, and break-resistant. You can trust it's BPA-free for your peace of mind. Enjoy mess-free pouring with the integrated spigot, designed for controlled dispensing. The wide opening makes filling and adding ice a breeze. Its curved, space-saving design fits perfectly into most refrigerators, offering convenient access and efficient storage. Take it anywhere. With a built-in handle, it's easy to transport for picnics, camping, or simply as a versatile liquid dispenser for your home. What we like? This one is designed to fit perfectly in your refrigerator. Its curved, space-saving shape means it won't take up too much room. If you're looking for a convenient way to serve drinks directly from the fridge, this is a great choice. What people say. This spigot is a direct replacement for the one on my water dispenser. It was easy to install and works perfectly. The flow rate is good and it doesn't leak. Number 4. Honoson Replacement Faucet Set. These dispensers are designed for effortless use. Simply push up the lever, and it stays open for hands-free dispensing, making them suitable for everyone. Before installation, please measure the opening where the faucet will be placed. This ensures a proper fit for your replacement. If your current faucet screws in, verify the thread size. Ensure the new one matches for a secure connection. Enjoy a clean space with our drip-free, leak-resistant design. It's perfect for gravity feed use without needing a pressure system. These are durable and compatible with many containers like rain barrels and garden buckets. They are ideal for outdoor watering and irrigation. Crafted from quality plastic and silicone, these dispensers are safe, reliable, and built to last. They are wear-resistant for long-term use. What we like? This offers a hands-free dispensing experience with its easy-to-use lever. It's engineered for drip-free, leak-resistant use, making it ideal for non-potable setups. If you need a reliable spigot for garden watering, rain barrels, or industrial tanks, this is a solid option. What people say. The spigot is easy to install and use. It fits perfectly on my water jug and dispenses water smoothly. The design is sleek and modern, and it doesn't leak. Number 3. Beverage Dispenser Replacement Spout, 2-pack. Ensure your drinks are always accessible with these high-quality, beverage-safe replacement spouts. They are made from durable plastics for long-lasting use. Add a touch of style to your beverage service. These faucets are perfect for parties, family gatherings, and any self-service drink station. Installation is simple. Just place the silicone pad, insert the spout, and lock the nut. It's designed to fit openings of 16 mm or 5/8 inch. These spouts are designed to fit most beverage dispensers. The wall thickness should not exceed 17 mm or 11/16 inch for a secure fit. Remember to clean the faucet before its first use. Follow the easy 3-step installation process for a perfect setup. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions or concerns about your purchase, please don't hesitate to contact us. What we like? This replacement spout is made from high-quality, beverage-safe plastics and boasts a fashionable design. It's widely used for self-service beverage stations at parties and gatherings. If you're hosting an event and need a stylish, easy-to-install faucet for your beverage dispenser, consider this. What people say. The spigot is easy to install and use. It dispenses water smoothly and without dripping. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with my kitchen decor. Number 2. Kyraton Stainless Steel Beverage Dispenser Spigot. Introducing the Kyraton Beverage Dispenser Spigot, designed for a leak-free and durable experience. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, it ensures long-lasting use. Installation is a breeze with its simple design, perfect for anyone. You'll have it set up in no time, ready to dispense your favorite beverages. Enjoy effortless control over the flow of liquids. Its precision design prevents spills and messes, keeping your serving area clean. Prioritize your health with this safe and hygienic option. The stainless steel construction is free from harmful chemicals, ensuring purity. This versatile tap is perfect for juice cans, beverage containers, and more. It adds a touch of convenience to your everyday life. What we like. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this tap is rust-resistant and built to last. Its precision design allows for effortless control of water flow, preventing spills. If durability and a clean, hygienic dispensing experience are your top priorities, this stainless steel option is a great pick. What people say. The spigot is easy to install and use. It dispenses water quickly and without dripping. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with my kitchen decor. Number 1. DOZYANT Durable Stainless Steel Beverage Dispenser Spigot. Upgrade your beverage dispenser with our new spigot. It's designed for quick installation into a 5/8-inch opening and fits dispenser walls up to 11/16-inch thick. This faucet is perfect for a variety of beverages, including tea, wine, water, and juices. It's compatible with most gravity filter systems, including Berkey stainless steel models. Crafted from solid stainless steel, this spigot is built to last. It's durable, corrosion-resistant, and lead-free, ensuring your health and longevity of use. Remember to remove the protective film from the washers before installation. For sugary drinks, a thorough cleaning after each use is recommended to maintain optimal performance. We stand by our product with a commitment to your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues, please contact us, and we'll resolve it to your liking. What we like. This updated version is made of fine solid stainless steel, making it durable and corrosion-resistant. It's designed to fit dispenser walls up to 11/16-inch thick and is great for dispensing various beverages, including fitting Berkey and other gravity filter systems. If you have a gravity filter system or are looking for a robust, long-lasting spigot, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The spigot is made of durable stainless steel, ensuring longevity and resistance to rust. It features a simple lever mechanism for easy dispensing of water, suitable for all ages. The installation process was straightforward, requiring only basic tools and clear instructions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.